trick shot video.
Almost first time.
But right before this,
Almost.
Right before this recording, we hit it first try.
Almost. Jack.
Get there.
Alright. Try.
Oh, I stepped on a leg. Yeah. Oh! Use put.
What?
Use put. Oh! Trick shot!
Yo, still try another one.
Oh no, that doesn't count.
Almost. It's too.
It didn't fall to the ground, so it counts. What? First try. 5 times in a row. Oh! That actually counts because I actually pushed it upward. So. Oh no!
I hit your leg. I'm sorry, man.
It hit my finger, so it doesn't count.
Then.
Bro, we are the trick shot masters. Alright, right here. Whoa! What the heck? It landed on my flip socket. It just landed.
Almost. I'm sorry, guys.
Oh no, that actually counts because you just landed here. That actually counts.
I'm stuck at this.
Bro, what do you mean you suck at this? You scored 3 times. Oh, whoa.